bomb and dipper mounted on a rear of a tractor. Component of Backhoe: bomb, dipper, bucket, cabin operator, stabilizer, and hydraulic system. Uses of Backhoe: exhibiting and turning, turning, digging foundation, removing tree wood, landing, loading, unload material, demolition work, snow removal. Types of Backhoe: standardized Backhoe loader, mini Backhoe loader, extendable Backhoe leader.
हाई फ्युल कन्जम्सन यसको डिसएडभान्टेज भनेको मेन्टेनेन्स गर्न चाहिँ धेरै पैसा लाग्छ, एक्सपेन्सिभ हुन्छ। रिड्युस स्टेबिलिटी व्हाइल वर्किङ इन अनइभन टेरियन। Positioning the back way near the work site, lowering the stabilize for balance, operating the boom and DPR. I am using hydraulic controls, digging and lifting materials with the bucket, swinging the arms to the unload soil dispatch.